Shogran Valley is a picturesque destination located in the Kaghan Valley of Pakistan. Known for its stunning natural beauty, Shogran Valley offers a plethora of photography spots for both amateur and professional photographers alike. One of the most popular photography spots in Shogran Valley is Siri Paye Meadows. Situated at an altitude of 895 meters above sea level, Siri Paye Meadows offers breathtaking views of lush green meadows, snow-capped mountains, and colorful wildflowers. Photographers flock to this spot to capture the beauty of nature in all its glory. Another must-visit photography spot in Shogran Valley is the Shogran viewpoint. From this vantage point, photographers can capture panoramic views of the entire valley, including the surrounding mountains, forests, and rivers. The changing light throughout the day creates a dynamic backdrop for stunning landscape shots. For those looking to capture the essence of rural life in Shogran Valley, the village itself offers plenty of photography opportunities. From traditional wooden houses to local villagers going about their daily routines, there is no shortage of subjects to photograph in this charming village. For wildlife enthusiasts, the Shogran Valley Wildlife Sanctuary is a prime photography spot. Home to a variety of species including Himalayan brown bears, snow leopards, and musk deer, this sanctuary provides a unique opportunity to capture rare and elusive wildlife in their natural habitat. Whether you're a landscape photographer, a wildlife enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty of nature, Shogran Valley has something to offer everyone. With its diverse range of photography spots, this stunning destination is a paradise for photographers looking to capture the beauty of the natural world.